If you were browsing all over the internet trying to find a way in which you can actually make money online, and don't worry, you don't need to be sharing a link in the social medias, the social networks, you don't need to be creating videos, you don't need to be creating blog posts. No, it's not about that, and it actually works worldwide. This video is actually for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. By the way, guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step strategy, so please make sure that you are not going to miss anything. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you another way in which you can make money online. So these are going to be actually two ways, okay? So now let's jump into my computer. First of all, the very first website that we're going to be using, it's called Social Pilot. So you're going to be going to socialpilot.co or socialpilot.co, and this is a platform that if you are looking to do social media marketing is what you need, and it is an amazing price. Don't worry, you don't need to buy it, okay? You don't need to buy it, but let me actually show you, okay, why people are going to be interested in this. It's because comparing to their competitors, social media pilot or social pilot, it's way more affordable. Right now you can have 25 profiles and you're going to be just paying $30 per month, and it's going to be a free trial. Remember, you don't need to pay anything, but this is actually information that you need to know. Let's check on their competitors. For example, we have HubSuite, which is really popular in the market. Right now, the price is $129 per month, and you can have just 20 profiles. We have Sendable, which is $99 per month with 48 profiles, and Buffer, which is $99 per month with 25 profiles. So as you can see, it's cost effective, and the coolest thing is the fact that it's going to have a free trial, which is really amazing. So people can test it out, and if they decide that this is a platform that they want to keep using, they are going to be paying rather than paying upfront and then realizing that it's not what they were looking for. Okay, so you're gonna have all the features here. Don't worry, you can check them if you are gonna go to socialpilot.co, but I want you to scroll down and we're gonna click here where it says company affiliate program. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be doing. So as you can see, Social Pilot have a really good affiliate program with a 30% recurring commission. Okay, so that means that you can get a customer once, and if that person keep paying their monthly fee, you are gonna be making money. This is gonna be passive income. Okay, so you don't need to be chasing customers. And just if you are thinking like, okay, this sounds good, amazing, but I don't know how could I find customers, I'm gonna show you a place in which you can find hot leads, people who are ready to buy. Okay, how the affiliate program works? Well, it's really easy, it's really simple, and it's free. Okay, you're gonna join Social Pilot affiliate program, which is free. You don't need to be pre-approved, you don't need to have any kind of requirement. You are gonna be advertising. You can actually share a text link, you can share a banner, you can share it anywhere. Okay, and you're gonna earn money. Again, this is gonna be 30% commission for every new paid subscription you actually sell. Remember, you have a free trial, so people are gonna test it, and if they decide to stay, you're gonna be making money. A cool thing about this affiliate program is the initial deposit. Again, it's free. You're gonna get paid through PayPal. I know a lot of people are actually looking to get the payment through PayPal. Payments are made once per month, and this might be something like you're like, oh, okay, the minimum payout is actually $50, but you need to have at least 2 customers, okay? And that's it. Okay, now that you know what we're going to be promoting, you might be wondering, okay, where can I find the leads? Where I can find people who are actually there, who are actually ready, to make the purchase. Okay, there is another website that we're going to be using, which is called People Per Hour. Okay, People Per Hour is a website in which you can find freelancers, okay, people who are willing to do certain kind of jobs. They can have a tech skill, maybe they are programmers, maybe they are designers, maybe they are copywriters, you name it. Okay, so you're gonna click here where you search, and you're gonna search for offers. Okay, remember, you're not gonna buy anything, and once you are here, you are gonna be doing a search for social media management. Okay, why? Because remember, social media pilot makes sense for those who are offering this service. Okay, so as you can see, we have several people here who are offering the social media management service, and they have tons of customers. So customers are equals to profiles. Or maybe they do have one customer who has several profiles because they are on several social medias. Maybe they are on TikTok, maybe they are on Instagram, maybe they are on Facebook, maybe they are on Twitter, you name it. So, for example, we have this person who is charging $155 to do their job. So it actually makes sense for this person to have a tool that is gonna be useful. Okay, remember that they are actually a 14-day free trial for the tool, and remember that, hey, these guys can save a lot of money. Okay, so you can check on the profile, and you can check that this person is actually making consistent sales, and people are really, really happy with their service. Okay, how are you going to be offering social pilot to this person? Well, you need to click here on the profile, or actually on the name, and you're going to land on the profile page. Okay, you're going to land on the profile page, and you have the opportunity to click here where it says contact, so you can be in touch with them. You are not gonna be sending your affiliate link right away, like, hey, I have this amazing tool, this is my affiliate link, go and check it out. No, you're gonna be letting them know that you have something that you think might help them to do their task more efficiently, and that they can give it a try for free if they want it, so that they can contact you. You can leave your email address, or you can ask them to provide their email address or a social media account. Okay, so once you are in touch with them, is then where you explain them that you have this amazing tool like Social Pilot, right? You are gonna script the actual benefits. For example, here you can say like, okay, this is actually using to have analytics, to post through web, to mobile. You're gonna have priority support. You can actually populate content. You can create content. Okay, you're gonna let them know all the features, and you're gonna highlight the fact that they can test this for free, that there is a free trial. Okay, and after that, if they decide to go ahead, and keep using the tool, remember that you are gonna be earning 30% commission month after month after month. Okay, so if you have 4 customers, you're gonna be earning $100. If you have 8 customers, they're gonna be $200 if they decide to stay on the basic plan. Because if they are growing, for example, if they are managing 100 social media accounts, it makes sense for them to make an upgrade, and you are going to be earning way more money. Okay, so as you can see, this tool, it actually makes a lot of things. And by the way, guys, remember that at the beginning of the video, I told you that I have another way in which you can actually make money online. So if you want to check it out, that's going to be my #1 recommendation to make money online, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep. I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. So you can have 2 ways in which you can actually make money from the internet. Okay, if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.